What are we doing today, girls?
I think we're cutting some wood because we're kind of low. Hey, Gagne Farm fans! Welcome back to Rooster Crowville. He's a little noisy. He's saying, "Come over here and give me some food as long as you're standing there." Feed me. Anyway, it is a Saturday morning-ish, and it is snowing outside. And we're just getting ready to get some things done around the homestead here. We need to get some wood cut, so that's what we're going to start with today.
Yeah, why don't you guys follow us along throughout the day? We got a lot of things we're going to try to accomplish here. It's starting to get a little bit colder. We're starting to get a little bit of snow up here in Michigan, so we need to do a few things around here. Put a few things away for the winter. Yeah, we got to get some wood cut. We're going to start with that. So, hey, if you guys like this video, click that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you guys want to know when we're going to post our next cool video, hit that bell for notifications so you can be the first just to see that video. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we got the battery charging on the quad here.
Got the old Husqvarna saw, and we're just going to go through it quick. I got a new bar for it. I'm going to put the new bar on. Sharpen the chain, gas and oil, clean it up quick, and we're going to go head up woods.
What you doing there?
Just taking the cover off. Chain off. Bar off. And now I'm going to plug in the air compressor and blow this all off.
We have a flat tractor tire. Well, that's a lot easier than how you used to do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I picked this up off Amazon for about 30 bucks, and it saved me a lot of time. We got a new sharp chain.
What you putting in there?
Gas. Mixed gas. Whose sock is that? Is that your sock, Candace?
Oh, that's an old Sophie baby sock right there.
I'm going to put some bar and chain oil in here. So, we're going to run back to the woods and try to get a little wood here today. It's snowing a little bit more than I thought.
Well, that means do.
No, I'm not going to put it. I'm the editor anyway.
What you doing? You put something on backwards or upside down, didn't you?
Chainsaws only work if the chain's on going the right direction.
Oopsie. Eric's moved down the path a bit here. You know what? Maybe we should get the sled. Got our little path clearer here. Woo! Got another one over here. Oh, there's one. You got better eyes than I do.
Well, I got my truck snaked back in here. The trail is way up there into the other end of the woods, so trying to get my truck snaked back, all the way through these woods here is getting to be a bit difficult. We kind of already cherry picked all the easy wood that was closer to the house, but now I got to get back further out in the woods, and it's just tight, so it takes me a minute to get kind of weaseled back in here. But we're back here. Got a little bit of wood on the ground. See, we're cutting back here. There's quite a bit of wood. We just gotta start getting it. So here we go.
So we got a system going on here. Dad's cutting, I'm picking up, and Sophie's stacking.
So, as you can see, we got the whole family helping out here. Soph's in the back, kind of stacking for us. And me and Candace over here hauling. I'm cutting. And we're starting to get a little bit in there. Just keep cutting. Just keep cutting.
We're getting there.
What?
We're getting there. Kind of hung up here. You want help pushing? There we go. What are you doing on the floor, on the ground?
I tripped 2 times.
Got Paul Bunyan over here.
Breather.
Picking up trees with his bare hands. Whoa!
Hey, that's what you have to do to be a homesteader in Michigan. Sometimes you just have to grab the bull by the horns or the tree by the roots. Woman would cut.
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, I don't think I look good with a nose ring.
You look like all them other homesteaders on YouTube.
There, gone. We got a load. We're gonna take it back up to the house and unload it into the woodshed. Make our woodshed look a little happier.
My thighs hurt.
What?
My thighs hurt.
So many squats.
I did 300 squats yesterday. I didn't know we were doing wood.
It's good for you. Back at the homestead.
Brap, brap. perimeter.
Hey guys, we're back from cutting wood. We've got it all stacked. You can see behind us here we got a little bit of wood there, and it'll last us a couple weeks. Last us through Christmas, which will be nice. It'll be nice and toasty warm for our holiday. Yep. And we're wishing all of you a happy holiday also.
Yep, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the old like button and click that bell for notifications. We're going to be coming out with more videos a little more regular now, so catch you later.
Bye.
We came out to get Eric's blind, and we got a whole flock of turkeys out in the field. We haven't seen a big group of turkeys in a long time around here. Coyotes eat them all. Okay, so this is what I come outside to. Boys and their toys. And this is why we cut wood. That's some pretty nice heat to have after being out in the woods cutting wood and stuff.